If you don't stand up, nothing will change. If you don't speak up, they stay the same. Your power is your mark, your voice, your name. Register now, take back the flame. We stood in long lines, believing the dream, but tap still empty, life still extreme. Promises made on a big TV screen, but poverty stays where it's always been. We see corruption, we see lies. We bury our hopes while prices rise. They told us wait, we waited years. Now all we carry are unpaid fees. So you say we are fine, I understand. You're tired of giving your trust to their hands, but staying away won't fix this land. Power on you still strengthens the brand. Your vote is not small, the silence is loud. History moves, but the people are proud. We are fine.
Well, today it's simple. We are simply fighting back to the cause of the GNU, a GNU that has been nothing but useless to the power of the people out there. They have basically dismantled all the policies, all the strategies that have worked in the past to make sure ukuthi abantu abamnyama abacindezelwe. So we are there to respond today to the SONA, which was 2 hours of a mess. 2 hours lapha ekhuluma khona nama-capitalists of the nation. He was not talking to abantu abahleli emakhaya. He was not talking to abantu abamnyama abacindezelekile. He was not talking to our students who are battling right now to even get educated. He was not talking to our youth who are unemployed. So today we are coming back and responding to that SONA and giving effect to how UMK Party will come and turn around the situation should we be in government.